Hello, I want to show you how you connect your WhatsApp with n8n. Let's start. Let's create a trigger. Look for WhatsApp. Click on messages. And here we're gonna need to create our credentials. We're gonna get client ID and client secret. In order to do that, let's go to Google and Google Business Meta. Click Meta for Business. And here we're gonna choose our business portfolio. I'm gonna choose for testing. If you don't have a business portfolio, create one. That's all you need. Fast. Okay, once you choose your business portfolio, click settings. Once you in settings, click apps. Click add, create a new app. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it testing, leave it as is, your email address. Click others, click other, next. Click business, leave it as is, click create app. Okay, now it's gonna create an app, and after that we're gonna click on set up WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, set it up. Okay, once we are here, let's click app settings, click basic. Here we're gonna get our client ID. Copy that, app ID. We're gonna need those two, app ID and app secret. Copy app ID, go back to n8n, paste here into client ID, and for client secret, let's get that app secret. Click show and copy whole thing. Keep it in secret somewhere. Client secret. Paste it in here. Click save. Credential successfully created. Okay, let's go back. Now we're done with trigger node. It's gonna trigger our agent. And right now we're gonna create a second credentials. So the data actually will be able to be sent back to Telegram. In order to do that, let's create our agent. Let's choose chat model, ChatGPT, so the agent will be able to think. And here, as an output, is going to be our WhatsApp Business Cloud. Send a message. You see here we don't have any credentials yet, so we gotta create new ones. And here we're gonna need to get another information, not like it was in the first node as a trigger. So access token and business account ID. Let's get it from same place, from Meta. Click here, WhatsApp. Click API setup. Okay, just because all that stuff in testing mode, Meta giving us test number, and you see from it's gonna be test number, and here when it says 2, choose your number. I'm gonna choose my number. Now let's generate access token. Continue. Select that, opt-in to all current and future WhatsApp accounts, continue, save, click got it. Now we got our token, copy that and paste it into here, access token. And now let's get business account ID, where it is here, a business account ID, copy that and paste it in here. Click save. Okay, credentials successfully created. Right. And now leave these tabs as is. Sender phone number. This is gonna be the number that Meta gave us to test. And here is gonna be our number. and make sure to include the country code here. It says message type text and text body. We're gonna need to drag dynamic variable later from the agent's output. Okay, now let's go back to meta and right here, step 2. Let's click to send message. So we'll get that chat that we'll be using, that number. You see, we got a message from that number to our WhatsApp, and now we can use the chat. For example, let's disconnect that. Let's communicate with the chat. Execute, and now as you can see it working. So this from number to, so this is from number and to my number. And now let's go back. Now we got to change that hard-coded text to dynamic variable, dynamic output from the agent. So let's connect it back. Okay, now let's trigger the whole system from the beginning till the end, and we'll set up dynamic variables so the agent will actually be able to give an output, not just hard-coded text. Let's go to WhatsApp. Let's click first here because it's not active. Right now it's waiting to trigger. Let's go to WhatsApp and say hi. Okay, it got triggered. Let's see what we got. We got text body hi. Alright, let's just drag that body into our agent. Click define below and drag that body field dynamic variable into agent. And now let's click execute. The agent actually will work with that information, and let's see what output we got. Hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, this is dynamic variable, and let's connect that dynamic variable to text body, and now the system will work. Now the agent will actually be able to answer and think about the information. Click save and click execute, and let's just ask something else. What's your name? Right. Okay, and now we'll see the answer. Okay, yeah, this is how it works. So right now it's actually in working condition, and you can do whatever you want. Personalized, do whatever you want, add some tools, memory, or whatever you want. Yeah, that's basically all done. That's how you connect. That's how you connect to WhatsApp with n8n. I hope it was useful, and thank you.